Hi guys, today we will continue working with spelling, but now we are going to learn about the long U sound. And we have two ways to make the long U sound. One sound is when you have O together and you say oo. For example, room, zoo. And when you have Y-O-O and you say ew. And we have the word use and the word you. Now I will read the words. We are going to read and spell the words that you will learn in this unit. And we have do, D-O, do. You, Y-O-U, you. Zoo, Z-O-O, zoo. Use, U-S-E, use. Room, R-O-O-M, room. Soon, S-O-O-N, soon. Moon, M-O-O-N, moon. Spoon, S-P-O-O-N, spoon. Stool, S-T-O-O-L, stool. Broom, B-R-O-O-M, broom. And with these words, we will be working on the pages that we have here on the board. And what we have over here, page 181. What you have to do on the page 181? Okay, on this page, you will write in number 1, 2, and 3 the words that they have O-O. And you will find in your book with the words that I already read, you will find the words that they have O-O. And you will write over here. One example is zoo. Look, we have O-O-O-O. You need to find two more. What you have to do in the number 4. In the number 4, you are going to write the word with one O, but is a long U sound. And then in number 5, you will write the words that they have O, U, and the sound is U. In the number 6, you will write the word with U, space, E, and the sound is U, U. So, that is what you have to do in 181. Now you will work in 100 on page 182. What you have to do over here? In this page, you have to solve exercise number 1 and 2 with the words that they have EU, beginning U. And one is U. Find the other. And then you have 3 and 4. You will write in the number 3 the word that rhyme with 2. What is the word that rhyme with 2 and has 2 letters? And then you will write in the number 4 the word that rhyme with moon. And you will write in the number 4. Number 5 and 6, you will write the words that rhyme with room and zoo. But here you will add one more to each one of these. And what you have to do, for example, room, rooms, because you are talking about more than one. So you have to make this one. And on you will solve the number 6. Okay. Here in 183, you are going to complete the sentences. And the sentence number 1 say, what can we, we have the space over there. But what is the word that we are going to use? Is the word do. That means that here you are going to write do. Now, number 2, we will make what you is a place where you have animals. That is what you are going to do in the number 2. You need to choose the word to in the number 2. That means a place where we can find animals. Number 3, we can this book for a pool. What are we going to do? For example, if I say, I can this marker to write on the board. The word that I will use is use. So that means that we are going to use to write the word use. And then we have the number 4. It has for seals. And then it's a place when we have seals. Number 5. Can help me find a tape? And I am referring to you. That is the word that you are going to use. Number 6. Our zoo will be finished. And the word is soon. Now it's your turn to be writing the words and finding the other word that I didn't say. Go to work. Okay guys, we continue working with our spelling class, and now you will learn another marks. So if you remember, I already talked about this one, that there are 3 lines, that this is to make uppercase letters. And this diagonal is to make lowercase letters. And now this is a new one. It's like a triangle, but just with these lines is missing the base, but this is the sign, and this is to add a word. This sign is to delete. For example, if you have a word twice, you can use this to delete the unnecessary word. This one, you remember, is to add a period. This sign is new and is to indent. And if you can see here, we have 3 new ones. And now we are going to apply on the board. And now we are going to apply the marks I already showed you in this paragraph. So what we have to do, we need to read the paragraph. So at the beginning, we have to make an indent. So here we are going to make the sign to show that we need an indent. And with this sign, we are okay. And then we continue reading the paragraph, and we find, we always use a map and map. We will erase one, and we use this sign to erase it. And then we continue reading to find new animals. We will use soon. And here is missing a word. We will see you soon. I want to show you my new room. Remember, at the end of the sentences, we need a period. So we are going to add over here. And the next part that you need to do is to find the vocabulary word in the paragraph, and you are going to underline like this. And then you will write in the bottom of the page. So, to continue, we have on page 185, we have some exercises that you are going to complete, and I am going to make the exercise number 1 over here from the page 185. What you have to do, what is the word that you are going to complete? Is the word that say moon. And like this example, you are going to complete the number 2, 3, and 4. Then on page 186, you are going to name the pictures on that page. You have 4 pictures and you are going to write a name that they are in the vocabulary. It's your turn to work.